Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure OpenAI API for customer support. Begin by creating an OpenAI account on their official website. Visit the OpenAI API documentation to understand the available features. Generate your API key from the OpenAI console. Ensure you store this key securely, as it will be used for authentication. Choose your preferred programming language for integration. Set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries. For Python, use pip to install the OpenAI library with the command pip install OpenAI. Next, create a new project folder for your customer support automation. Within this folder, create a new Python file where you will write your code. Import the OpenAI library at the start of your script. Add your API key by setting the OpenAI.API_key variable. Define a function that sends user inquiries to the OpenAI API. Use the appropriate API endpoint for your use case, such as chat.completions. Create a prompt that includes the user's question and relevant context for accurate responses. Specify parameters such as model type, temperature, and maximum tokens to control the reply. Handle the API response within your function, extracting the model's reply. Consider implementing error handling to manage API errors gracefully. Test your function by passing sample customer inquiries to see how the model responds. Evaluate the quality of the responses, making adjustments to your prompt as necessary. Integrate your function into a user interface where customers can input their questions. Ensure the interface captures user input and displays the model's response in real time. Implement logging to track user interactions and model performance for future improvements. Regularly review feedback from users to refine your automation strategy. Expand your API usage based on customer needs, exploring different models and prompts. Continue to iterate on your system, ensuring it remains relevant and effective over time. Finally, document your code and process for future reference and team collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.